non-polar in nature, right? Alkanes are non-polar in nature. Due to their non-polar nature, alkanes are water insoluble. And we know that water is polar in nature, water is a polar compound, so alkane is non-polar, so alkane cannot dissolve in water. So these are the physical properties. You must go through it from your book in detail. Solomon Organic Chemistry और किसी भी बुक से आप इसको clearly understand कर सकते हैं. So in short, in alkane, carbon number 1 to carbon number 4 are gases in nature, while carbon number 5 to carbon number 17 of alkane family compounds are liquid in nature, while greater than carbon 17 are solid in nature, right? If we are if you try to discuss the solubility, we know that mostly alkanes are non-polar in nature, while water is polar in nature, H2O is polar in nature, so alkanes are water insoluble. As we know that solubility based on like dissolve like, right? If we try to discuss in detail alkane family, the first member is methane. Its melting point is -183. Too much low melting point because methane, ethane, propane, and normal butane are gases in nature, right? Yes. Any question? Any question?
Ina mic off karo please.
Mic up, please. So alkane, in alkane, methane, ethane, propane, and butane, these have very low melting point and boiling point. They are mostly gases in nature. As I have already discussed, that carbon number 1 to carbon number 4 are mostly gases, while carbon number 5 to carbon number 17 are liquid in nature, while if greater than C17 are solid in nature. And alkane, no alkane is soluble in water because water is polar in nature, while alkanes are non-polar in nature. If we try to discuss the melting point and boiling point of alkane, methane, ethane, propane, and butane that are gases in nature that have very low melting point, right? Methane is -162 degrees centigrade for its boiling point, while N-butane boil at 0 degrees centigrade, right? Normal pentane -130 and so on. You can see here, right? Normal octadecane, that is 28 degrees centigrade is melting point, while 308 is its boiling point. But remember one thing, we have already discussed, one is normal alkane and another is isoalkanes and another is neoalkanes, right? Normal alkane means there is no branch, right? While isoalkane and neoalkane, there are branches, right? As there are more branches, lower its melting and boiling point. अगर ब्रांच हो तो इसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट और मेल्टिंग पॉइंट भी कम हो जाता है. सपोज नॉर्मल पेंटेन, देयर आर 5 कार्बन, so normal pentane and isopentane both are pentanes, but one is normal pentane, that is an just at straight line, कोई ब्रांच नहीं है इसमें. आइसोपेंटेन में ब्रांच है, ठीक है. जितनी ब्रांचेस बढ़ जाएंगी इतना इसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कम हो जाएगा. सपोज नॉर्मल पेंटेन एंड आइसोपेंटेन बोथ आर आइसोमर टू ईच अदर, दोनों एक दूसरे के आइसोमर्स हैं. नॉर्मल पेंटेन का बॉइलिंग मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है -130, while its boiling point is 36 degree centigrade, while its isomer आइसोपेंटेन, दोनों का केमिकल फार्मूला सेम है बट स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला डिफरेंट है, जिसको हम आइसोमर कहते हैं. सो आइसोपेंटेन -160 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, सो मच लोअर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट and boiling point is 28 degrees centigrade, right? As branches increases, its boiling point and melting point decreases, right? Any question?
सर आपने कहा कि जितने ब्रांचेस होंगे, मिसाल